Yo guys, you already know what it is. Welcome back to Brayla's universe, and if you ain't never been here, I'm Brayla, this my universe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more. And give this video a thumbs up. Comment to see different content, because you guys ain't doing it, and you need to do it, because you do it. Click the links in the description to buy from me or to buy from the seller. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, it's another buying or selling video. Wow, yay. Anyway, we're gonna hop right in, get that good old unboxing today, and let's go. So I personally believe that this is the bralette that I ordered, and this is the seller. And I'm sorry, but if this is the bralette, I will not model this one for you. Why? I don't know. I'm just not. So we're gonna turn it this way so you can see my information, and we're just see what goodies we got in here. Well, then butter me and call me a biscuit. All right. Different from how I thought it was gonna look, but this is how it looks. Check out the photos. It's gonna be there. Or where it's gonna be, but this looks thinner than I thought. Like, where am I going with this? Look at it, you can see my finger, but it's by Pink. But overall, I'll give you 5 stars. You're really smart. You saved some pesos on that shipping. Because shipping will kill us all. You saved some money on that good old shipping. So you're smart. Give you 5 stars. Product quality, just as described. It's my fault that I didn't know it was thin. But I'm still gonna wear it because I'm that girl. Nobody gonna be seeing what's under my clothes. Anyway, that's basically it, because I can't model it for you. That's invasion of privacy. But anyway, here's the information for you guys. Go check out the series, buying and selling. Check out my giveaway, and when I do my next cooking video, I will give you the deets on the next giveaway. It will be I was going to say the wrong thing. It will be a dozen cupcake, matter of fact, 2 dozen cupcake giveaway on Brayla.creations on Instagram. Check that out, and there'll be 2 winners. That's why I say 2 dozen, because one will win a dozen and the other one will win a dozen. So it's either, no, I'm not doing cake pops. That's a different giveaway. But this one will be a giveaway. So whoever posted the most will win the cupcakes, some sprinkles, and a homemade card, and maybe even a Brayla.creations shirt. Who knows? So don't forget to check that out. This Brayla, she's signing out. Thank you for watching, and come join me again on Brayla's universe. Brayla's signing out, and don't forget to check the rest of my videos. Subscribe. Yay! Let's get out of here, guys. I feel like I'm on a lot of caffeine. So bye.